Alright, we're working on a Kholer shower valve today. Customer called complaining no hot water. This has been an ongoing issue. We've replaced this a few times over the last 10 years. The problem is the customer has a large house and this is a guest bedroom and bathroom that doesn't get used regularly. And these need to be turned on probably twice a month, if not more. What happens is, over time, whatever happens inside, it prevents the hot water. Same thing happens to Moen's and other brands as well. But we're going to turn the water off, take this apart, and replace it. All right, once you got the water off, take the handle off of one center screw. Then you take the cover plate off, 2 screws. And then you get to this, and you have to take these off. You don't want to hold that. This bad boy out. Alright, give me a new package. Alright, check it out. Take these old O-rings out. The O-rings.
The O-rings are
new ones?
Yeah, those are new ones. And
okay.
Screws.
Goes in like so. Now this is different than the one we have. So I'm gonna put it in and see if it works. Hopefully we got the direction right. Now we got to flip it around. I got the water back onto the house. Cold first. And hot all the way. Ooh, very hot. a little too hot. I might have to adjust the water heater. I think she's got it too hot. Good to go. That gets put back on the truck. Ah, shoot.
Forgot to put the...
Still got water coming out of here too. That stops. I hope. Yeah, I gotta turn the water back off again. Put that stupid plate back on. This valve has stops, so I have to keep running back and forth. Turning the water off. Oh shit. A little tight. Make sure it's off. I'm going too quick and I forget to put that sucker back on. Tighten these evenly. Now we can put the cover back on. It wouldn't have worked before. Pretty simple. Alright, that's it guys. It's all done. That's a basic Kholer replacement. Just making sure it's not dripping still. But I think we're pretty good. I gotta go talk to her about the hot water being set too high. I mean, this is a very large house. It has a 75-gallon power vent liquid propane water heater with hot water return on it. And it's on a hot setting. So that's another thing that can happen is if your water's too hot, it can eat away or do something to these cartridges. It's not recommended to be that warm. Alright guys, check in. This is the hot water heater I was telling you about. There's a circulator pump up there. Return line. There. Expansion tank. Power vent. But the hot water is set on C, which is pretty hot. I'm going to turn it to A. And 120 is at hot. And the thing is still firing up, but we were running it. We were running the hot water. And there it kicks off. Should kick back on, but we'll leave it at A. That should be plenty good. Got a nice check valve on it. Well tank. it. All signatures. Good ones over here though. Jessica. A lot of cool stuff. Eli Manning. What else we got in here? A lot of cool stuff. Oh wow, Mike Tyson. Russell Crowe. Larry Holmes. Nice little sauna. Gym room. Sims. Yankees, Devils, and Giants. My favorite. There's the man, Don Mattingly. 23. Signed too. Everything's signed. Everything's 100% legit in this house. What else we got? Oh, looks like we got Pamela's. Cool. Wow, Rihanna. I don't know what that says. It just goes on and on.